Hello,
Hi everyone.
hello, good evening,
Hello everyone. Good evening, sir.
good evening. So, can you hear my voice clearly, guys?
Yes, clearly.
Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good, very good. Okay, so let's start the class. Please mute your mic, everyone.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so hello, everyone, and welcome to the final class. Today class is the final class. Okay, so we missed some topics. So first, I will explain about those, and then I will talk about the money management and controlling the emotion. Okay, so one of those topic was the 5 second conformation. What is the good 5 second conformation and when you can use it? Okay, so at the strong SNL level that it was in first class and we talked about it, you can use the 5 second conformation at the SNR levels. You cannot use in the middle of the trend. Okay, so you cannot use it in the middle of the trend. You need to use at the SNR levels. Okay, so let me show you what is the good 5 second conformation. Okay, so let me bring okay here. So this is the 5 second, as you can see here. This is the 5 second chart, and a good 5 second conformation is a candle with a medium body, not too weak and not too strong, like this one here. You can see like this one here. This is a medium candle, medium body here also, here also, here also, these red ones also, here. So these are the good and perfect conformation. Okay, and the bad conformation, you cannot take these as a conformation. You can see weak candle here. These are not conformation. We cannot take these as a conformation. So we can trust the medium candle with a medium body, not too weak and also not too strong. Okay, as I told you, very strong candle are sign of reversal, right? So after this, the market can reverse and close here. So we cannot trust very strong candles. We cannot trust so weak candle like here. We can trust the medium candle as a conformation. Okay, so these are the medium candle, right? You can see these are good conformation here, and we can trust this one here. But how we can use these? Let me show you. If suppose there is a support level, okay, this is a support level, we are ready to place a higher option. The market close at this level in 1 minute like this. Okay, the market close at the level and we are ready to place a higher option. So here, as I told you, when the market close at the level, you can trust and you can place your trade directly without taking any confirmation. But if you have doubt, if you are not sure about this trade, still you have some doubts what will happen, or you see the market is coming down in 1 minute, it is coming down like this. Now you can wait and take a confirmation to be sure about your trades. So you see the market close at the level, you are not very sure, you need to open the 5 second chart and wait for a confirmation. So a red confirmation or green, you can see we have both confirmation here, right? We have red 5 second confirmation, it is a good confirmation, and we have the green one. So what we can do here, we have both. Yes, we want to place a higher option, right? It was a support level, the red candle closed like this, and we wanted to place a higher option. So we need to wait for a good green confirmation, a bullish confirmation. Why? Because we want to go with the buyers. This is a support level, not a resistance. So even we get a good confirmation from the sellers first, even we take this confirmation first, we cannot trust and we cannot go with the sellers. Why? Because this is a support level, a buyer's entry point. We are expecting buyers enter from this level, so we cannot trust this red confirmation. We need to wait for a buyer's confirmation, and you can see here. Then we take this good medium candle. This is a confirmation. We can open our trade here at this level, closing point of this confirmation, and mostly the market will close above this line here, above this closing point of the confirmation. Mostly the market close somewhere here, okay, above this line. So at the support level, even you got a bearish confirmation first, you cannot go with the sellers because we want to place a higher option. This is a buyer's entry, so we will wait for a good buyer's confirmation. If we didn't get, we leave the trade. It made that sellers just come, and we don't get any buyer's confirmation, so we leave the trade. We don't trade here, okay? But when you got the good bullish confirmation, you can trust, okay? And also, we have 30 seconds to open the trade, right? We have 30 seconds to open our trade, so we have only 30 seconds to get a confirmation, right? So these are the 5 seconds. Okay, let me zoom in. Okay, so you can see, if we suppose the market close here, okay, the previous candle close here, and the next candle start from here, okay, so we have only 30 seconds to take a confirmation. We have only this much time to take a good confirmation, and if we couldn't find, we cannot trade. This is 1 minute candle, right? The candle will end here, it starts here, it will end here, and we have only 30 seconds to take a good confirmation. If you got a good confirmation here, don't open the trade. Why? Because we have only 30 seconds to take a confirmation, not more than that. So if you get a confirmation on this area after the 30-second purchase time, you cannot open the trade. Always remember this. You have only 30 seconds to take a confirmation. And also, in the seller's area, if you take a good buyer's confirmation, can you go with buyers? No, because this is a resistance level. We are expecting a seller's entry, right? So we should wait for a seller's confirmation. And when we got the good confirmation, not a weak one like this, not a very strong one like this, a good and perfect confirmation like this, okay, a medium candle. So when we got our confirmation, we can open our trade here, and the market mostly will close below this line, mostly somewhere here. So this is the good confirmation and how you can trade. You can trade only at the SNR. Don't take a confirmation in the middle of the trend, because you will get a late entry and you may lose your trade easily. So this is the 5-second confirmation. And also about the news time strategy, I'm not recommend you about news time strategy, because you need to open 2 or 4 trades at the same time, and this is risky. If you done a mistake, you will lose 4 trades in a row, and I'm not recommend you. But you asked me to explain you, and I will explain you. But practice it. If it worked for you, then it's good. But if you don't have confidence, don't try it, because if you done a mistake, you will lose 4 trades in a row. Okay, So the news, you can check the news from here. Market analysis here. You can check the news from here. Okay, so you click here and you go here, Forex calendar. Let me show you here. Forex calendar, and you can see it show you the news time, when the news will happen in the market. And let me tell you, okay, so this one, you can see this one don't have the forecast and the previous. Let me show you what is my mean. So we don't know about this one. We should leave this type of news and search for another news. Let me find. Okay, this is also don't have. Okay, here you can see it have the forecast and it have the previous. You can see the forecast is smaller than this previous, right? It is lower than this. What is mean? If the forecast is lower than previous, the previous 1.5, the forecast 1.4, it means the forecast is lower than previous and the market will decrease. It will go down on this news time on 5 p.m. The market will go down. But which pair? Here you can see, if you check here, the CAD is repeating, right? You can see AUD CAD, USD CAD. So you can see GBP CAD. So CAD is repeating, right? So it means in CAD pairs, the price will decrease. It will go down. But you need to understand one point here. Let me show you, let me clear this one. You can see here CAD CHF, CAD JPY. Here you can see the major currency is CAD, right? Because it is first. In the first place is CAD. So this is the major currency. Okay, the forecast shows us the CAD will decrease. So the CAD CHF will decrease, the CAD JPY will decrease, but here the CAD is in second place, right? AUD CAD, the AUD is the major currency here. So here it will be the opposite. When the CAD is not the major currency, the price with the act of the market will be opposite. So here AUD CAD will go up, not going down. So you need to understand this one. You can see the news tell us the CAD, right? It is about the CAD because it is repeating. It telling us the CAD will decrease, will fall down. Why? Because the forecast is negative. It is lower than previous. So the CAD will fall. But on the price, that CAD is in the major currency. Okay, let's like CAD CHF. CAD is in the first place, right? So it means it is the major currency and the price will go down on this pair. Okay, but when the CAD is in second place, right, like AUD CAD, it is in second place, so it will be opposite. When the CAD is in second place, the price will go up. And always look for this one that have the previous and forecast, because you know the price will go up or down. If suppose the forecast be higher, like if suppose here it be 1.8, the forecast is higher, right? So the CAD will go higher. The CAD, it is about the CAD, it will go higher. But in the pairs that CAD is measure, it will go higher. But when the CAD is second place, it will fall down. So this is opposite, and always you need to check and understand about this. So let me show you example. I don't recommend you to trade in the news without any practice. It is dangerous. because I will show you now. If you make a mistake, you will lose 4 trades in a row. Okay, so let me bring okay. So here, as you can see, let me show you. So here you can see I open the market analysis, the forex calendar here, and you can see there is a news at the 5 p.m. here. So I'm checking the news. Okay, so here you can see the forecast is higher than previous, right? It is green, it is positive. It means the price will go up. But in which currency? So let's see which currency is repeating here. You can see here USD is repeating on every pair, right? You can see the USD here. So this news is about the USD, and the forecast telling us the price will go up in USD. But as we all know, it will not go up in every pair, just in pair that USD is in major currency in the first place. Here it will go up, right? But in Euro USD it will go up? No. Why? Because the USD in second place, it will go down. So always check this, and it is important, so don't make a mistake. Okay,
Those green and red numbers there doesn't mean anything about, like, in the Euro USD it's plus 0.05%. Doesn't it means the price will go up? Is not a prediction here.
this one,
Yeah.
no, I will show you now. Okay, I will show you.
So I have a question here. When you are
Yes.
saying it goes up or down,
Yes,
does that mean the major trend of that pair would be in the up side, and the major trend, if it's will go down, so the major trend of that pair would be down?
no, we don't check the measure time, we don't check any level. I will show you here. Okay,
Okay.
okay, I will show you right now, just wait a second. Okay, so here the forecast was for USD, right? So we open 4 chart with USD currency. You can see 4 chart with USD, and the news was in 5 p.m. You can see we have just 30 seconds left. We trade exact at the news time. It was in 5 p.m. so we trade in 5 p.m. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so you can see the forecast for USD was positive, right? The forecast was green. It means the USD will go up. But here you can see the USD on these 2 above charts, you can see it is in second place, right? So here it will go down, and here you can see the USD is in the major currency. Here also it is here. So these 2 will go up. Okay, so when it is in first place, the forecast, and it is right, everything is right, the USD forecast is going up. So when it is in the first place, it will go up, no problem. But when it is in second place, it will be opposite. The forecast saying it will go up, but when it is in second place, it will go down. So let me show you. Okay, so here you can see now, you can see we are trading exactly at the news time. It was 5 p.m., right? You can see exact time, and here we are expecting the price will go up, right? And here we are expecting it will go down. So we open the 5-second. You can see I'm open the 5-second on all of this chart, and we are waiting. waiting for what? A good 5-second confirmation. So here the price will go down, so we need a red confirmation, a red good confirmation here also. But here we are expecting the price will go up, so we need a good green confirmation here. So let me show you my confirmation here. So you can see here I'm waiting for a green confirmation. Okay, so here you can see, here I got my green confirmation, here I got my good green confirmation, so I'm placing the higher option. Okay, but here you can see this is not a good confirmation I placed directly, so you need to wait for a good confirmation like this one at least. Okay, a medium candle, it is not that strong, so this is not a good confirmation, but I place my trade directly here. But here you can see I'm waiting for a good confirmation. Okay, so let me play the video. You can see I'm waiting here to get a good confirmation. Always place your trade with a good confirmation. So here you can see I got the confirmation, I place my trade here. So let me show you the result here. Okay, you can see mostly you will win all of these, like here sometimes you will win 3 and 1 loss. But if you done a mistake, you will lose all this trade, and it is so dangerous. That's why I'm not recommend you this strategy, but you can practice this one in demo. If it worked for you and if you feel confidence on this strategy, you can try it. But if you are not, I don't recommend you. It is not a good one, because if you done a mistake, you will lose 4 trade in a row. And you can see when I got my confirmation here you can see I place my trade here. I place directly. It is not a good confirmation here, but I press directly. Always wait a good confirmation, and here also. So this is the new strategy. You was asking me about it, and I show you here. Okay, okay, and let's talk about the good and bad market. The good and bad market, it is so important. Why? Because you know all the points. Okay, you know SNR, you know everything very well, but sometimes you are just making losing trade. You are trading and you get so many loss and you don't know the reason. It is about the market. Sometimes the market is very bad and you need to leave the market. Don't trade on bad markets. So what is the bad market? Let me show you here. So you can see the bad market signs. It is very long rejection. Very long rejection. It is that sign that the market is bad and you shouldn't trade on this type of market. So very long rejection, long wicks. It is sign that the market is bad and you should leave. Okay, another sign. Very weak candle. You can see here so many doji and so many spinning top here. So this is the sign that the market is bad. So many weak candles, so many spinning top and so many doji candle. This is the sign that the market is bad. And also when you are not sure about the level, you can see these weak make the level area so big, right? You can see you don't know where is the level exactly. So when you are confused about your level, you should leave the market. When you are seeing so many level, when you are seeing big areas with the level, like here you can see these weak make the area very long, right? Very big. So when you are not sure about your levels, just leave the market and change the chart. because this is a bad market and you cannot trust. And also when the market is in high volatilities, is going so fast, like here you want to place your trade like here, but the market fast go very fast like here, and your trade open here. So the fast market, high volatility, just ignore this type of market. These are bad market signs. So let me repeat it again. So many wicks, long shadow, long rejections, so many wick candle, so many spinning top and doji candle. When you are not sure about your levels, so many levels with so big area, and also the market fast move so fast. So these are the type, these are the sign that the market is bad. And what is the good market? You can see the good market have normal candle, normal movement. You can tell clearly this is a level, this is a level, right? The level are clear, and you can see these candle, these don't have any very strong, very long shadow, and not that much weak candle. You can see this body are good. So this is a good market. You can see momentum, it making momentums. So these are that sign the market is good, and you should trade on this market, and don't try to trade on bad market, because you will get so many losses. The bad market are so dangerous, so you should leave those market and ignore. Okay, so these are about the bad market, and let's talk about the money management and emotion controlling now. So as you all know, the controlling your emotion and money management is very important in trading. Without these, you cannot be in profit, right? So these are so important. So you should trade first in demo accounts, okay? So don't go in real directly. I don't recommend you to go in real now. Place your trades in demo account, because you need some practice. Okay, you will do mistakes. Okay, it is common at the first. Also, you will do so much mistakes. So these are common. You will do some mistakes. It is normal, but it's better to done your mistakes in demo account, and don't try to trade with real account now, because you will do some mistakes, and it's better it be demo account, fake money, right? And also about the trading in demo, place 5 to 15 trade per day, not more than this. 5 to 15 trade, it is good, it is enough to learn, and also to reaching your daily target, right? So this is good, 5 to 15 trade. Don't go for 100 trade in a day. People, you can see people, some people go for 100, for 1,000 trades in a day, and they just trading randomly without thinking about the reason. They just want to place the trade, and it is wrong. Do less trade, but with analysis. Analyze your trade, why you are placing this trade, why you win here, why you lost here. Analyze your trade, and always take less trade. Okay, so this is so important. Don't go for 100 trade in a day, and also practice only for 1 or 2 hours in a day. Don't go for 8 hours, for 10 hours. You will addictive to trading, and you cannot leave the chart. Okay, so trust me, 5 to 15 trade is enough. 1 to 2 hours, this is enough, and you will learn very good with this time, with these trades. And always analyze your trade. Okay, and also another thing, make your demo account like your real account that you want to have in future. So If suppose you wanna invest $100 in your real account in future, make your demo account like your real account in future. Make your demo account $100. Okay, some people in demo account placing 20,000 trades, 10,000. So this is not right. When they go to real and when see this less amount, they have to trade with $3, right? $3 to $5. So when they are seeing this, they coming from 10,000 trades and they see $3, $5, so they cannot work with this small amount, and they wanna just place more and higher amount, and it will be so risky. So always remember this point. Also use less amount in demo. Also make your demo like real. I always say trade in demo like real and trade in real like demo. Okay, so this is important. And also don't be in rush. You need some practice, you need some time, you need some experience, then you will be in profit. Don't be in rush, right? You need some time to learn the points, some time to practice. And please don't be in rush. Don't go after this course directly in real. Stay in demo and practice till you get some experience, then you can go in real with confidence. Okay, so till you get confidence, stay in demo, and when you feel the confidence, you can go and trade in real. Okay, so when you done the practice in demo, when you feel confidence, when you reach more than 70% of winning ratio, and it is not just with one day you reach this. Okay, it is not like this in one day you reach 70% and you go in real directly. No, you need to get this same result at least for 10 days. Okay, almost same result at least for 10 days. So don't think with just one day you got this result, okay, let's go in real. No, you need to practice and get this good result at least for 1 week, 10 days, then you can go in real. Okay, so when you go in real account, invest 3% of your capital. Okay, so don't place higher amount trade. 3%. If you have $100 in your real account, place $3. Okay, why? Because if you have $100 and place $30 trades, okay, if you lose 2 trades, you will lose $60. And compare that to that, this $100, $60 is very huge amount, right? You will get emotion, and emotion will make it worse. So $60 loss from this $100 account, it is so much, and recover this amount also is so hard, right? It is $60, 60% of your account. But if you have $100, you are trading with 3%, $3. If you lose 2 trades, what will happen? You will lose only $6, right? So compared to this $100, $6 is nothing. It is so a small amount. You won't get any emotion, and if you want to recover it, you can recover easily, right? $6, it is not the huge amount, but $60, it is huge amount. You will get emotion, and recovering this amount will be hard for you. So always remember, trade with 3% of your account, and the daily target will be 10% of your capital. Okay, so 10% is easy to reach, right? If you have $100, trade with $3, daily target $10. and you can see this target is easy. You can easily reach this one, but if you make your target bigger, like 100%, sometimes you may reach the target, right? But mostly it is hard, and your emotion will come, and you cannot trade with a good knowledge and logically, right? You will trade with emotion, with big amounts. So always remember this point: trade with 3%, daily target 10%. These are the good.
So,
Yes,
yeah, may I ask a question here, please?
yes,
Yeah, when you are saying we have to invest around 3% from our capital. So let's say, for an example, on first day, I reached my daily target, which is 10%. So my account now is 110.
yes.
Then next day, shall I, in the next day, when I start to do the trading, so my trade would be as well 3% from the total capital plus the
Yes.
profit, or only the capital,
It
the
is
initial
your wish.
capital.
It is your wish. If you wanna compound your trades, compound your account, then you need trade to 3% of your $110. Okay, but if you want to stay with some strict rules, withdraw the extra $10. Okay, withdraw the $10 and start again with $100. Okay, so it is your wish. If you want to compound, you can just keep going, and
Okay,
if you don't want, you can withdraw your extra money.
okay, got you.
Okay, very good. Okay, and also another thing, when you got two or three losing trade in a row, continuous two loss or three loss, stop trading at least for 1 hour. Why? What is mean? When you are getting two or three continuous loss, it means the market don't respect your strategy, or you are not in a good mood now to trade. Okay, so it means two things: the market don't respect your strategy, or you are not in a good mood. So leave the market at least for 1 hour and come back later. Okay, don't try to keep trading because you will lose more and more. So just stop, close the program and go and come back later. Don't stay in the market because you will lose more and more. And when you reach your daily target, stop the trading. Don't go for higher amount, don't go for higher daily target. When you reach your daily target, stop trading. Just go and enjoy your life. Don't stay in the market because it is risky. You may get overconfidence. Okay, and overconfidence also, it is so dangerous. Some traders, they win 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a row, and they are getting overconfidence. They are increasing the investing amount, and with one loss they will lose the money, they will lose their confidence, and they will lose everything. So it is so dangerous. Don't get overconfidence. Always follow your rules, and you will be in profit. Okay, so guys, this was about the final class. So if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yeah, I
Yes,
have a question here regarding the investment and the amount of trade. So here, I'm based in Egypt, and
yes,
we heard a lot from fruit traders in country here that they had the Olymp trade, for example, or IQ option. They blocked their account
yes,
and they couldn't withdraw their profits. I don't know if
yes.
there is any kind of bad trading styles could lead us to reach and get our account blocked. Do
If
you
you
have any
use
experience? And
if you use bots, they will block your account.
I'm not saying but for an example, when one of the folks he one I have one of my friends who's a pro trader,
Yes,
and he used to do a lot of compound trading with very small amount and reach a very high volume of profit. And
Yes.
Out of the sudden, he couldn't withdraw his profits. And when he contacted the customer service, they told him that because he's investing more than 10% than his capital, and this is why they blocked his account, and he couldn't withdraw. So he shifted from IQ option to Olymp trade
Yes.
to continue trading. So I don't know if you faced something like that before, or you have someone had the same negative experience as well.
No, I
I'm just
never.
asking.
Yes, I know. No, I never faced
Yeah.
this problem, but I don't know about this. I don't know they block or not. I never get any problem, and I didn't hear from anybody about this. Okay, so I don't know. I didn't face any problem till now. But
Okay.
How
always trade with a small amount. Okay, as I told you, 3%. And if you wanna increase your trade size, increase by time. Don't make $10 to $1,000 in one day. Okay, they may review your account, and if you're breaking a rule, they may block you. Okay, so increase your trade by time. It will be good.
Mhm.
Yes.
how much you said your friend made, bro? They blocked him? How in percentage or money? How was that?
So I've seen he was doing around $9,000 a week.
But you
So
said something about 10% over something. What is that?
yeah, that was mainly an Olymp trade. One of my colleagues, he used to trade by more than 10% from his investing capital, and the customer service told him that he's taking a lot of risk, and this is why they blocked his account, and even they dropped the profit per all pairs. It's reached around 20% across all the pairs.
Wow. Ten
So
percent of profit.
10% of your capital, your
Yes, but
total balance. Yeah,
okay.
total balance. So
Yeah.
they told him he's doing many trades more than 10% of his total balance, which is too risky, and this is why they blocked his account.
Okay.
In
Got you.
IQ
Thanks.
options, they don't have that kind of restrictions.
Yeah, that was mainly an Olymp trade experience.
In IQ options, they don't have any restrictions like that.
Okay, guys. So please keep this discussion in group, and please also send me your Gmail that you are logging YouTube with that. I will send the course in 1 or 2 hours later. So please send me your Gmail address. Okay, and also I will send you the course. Please watch it again carefully and practice. And if you have any question, you can ask from me, or you can ask in a group. The people in the group will help you. So don't worry. We will clear all your doubts. Okay? So don't worry.
Teacher, can you tell us about the broke out strategy? I think you put in your list. You said something
Breakout.
about it. Breakout, yeah, breakout
Yes.
strategy.
Yes, I told you 70% of the breakouts are fake. Okay? So 70% the breakouts are fake, and also I show you when you are in level, right?
But isn't it any kind of specific condition for the breakouts or any
Okay.
breakout you can consider like that?
No, any breakout, the market can reverse 70%, but you can be more sure with this condition. Let me tell you, if the market broke a level, okay, and you saw a rejection, this rejection give you more confidence that the market wanna reverse. And if this candle that broke the level close at a level, then you can be more sure, and you can be trustier and place for a reversal. Okay, so but
Is
70% of the breakouts are fake, and the market will reverse.
is that any kind of amount of the candle to break out? Like let's suppose it's break out a lot like that, or if they break out the half of the size.
No,
or
there is
if we break out just a tip of the candle.
no difference. If it's break just a little, it will be also a breakout like this. Okay?
And even like this big one as well, same thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. So please send me your Gmail right now that you are logging in YouTube with that, and I will send you the course. Okay? Okay, so
All right.
so goodbye everyone. Good night.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Goodbye. You're welcome. Good
Thank
night
you.
everyone. Good night. Goodbye.
Good night. Good night.
Goodbye.
Good night.